The MaxVac SV1 170 MBS is an M-class industrial vacuum that does not require external power. Thanks to the 24-volt motors installed, it can work in full portability without a power cable. The vacuum works in all dry conditions and with different materials such as dust and shavings, using hoses that can be several meters long. The filter can be customized to a specific application. The vacuum is supplied as standard with anti-static filters to prevent electrostatic charges, Nomex to withstand high temperatures, and Teflon coated to work with varied materials. And with the PTFE nanotechnology, the vacuum will work with the most difficult dust. Equipped with a manual filter cleaning system, the filter can be shaken easily and effectively with the lever on top of the vacuum. The sturdy container is fitted with a release system which allows the operator to collect the vacuumed materials and conveniently dispose of them. To facilitate handling the container, there are 4 caster wheels mounted on reinforced supports so that it can be easily handled even when it contains several kilograms of material. A kit is available on demand for handling and unloading the container with a forklift. A separate adaptation is the potential of a fixed floor bar for a much faster area coverage.